Hello, my name is Carlos Mora, and in this series of experiments, we are going to test and experiment with different classifications of matter. We have the pure substances, such as the elements and the compounds. These cannot be broken down physically. You have to break them by chemical processes. In the case of the elements, they cannot be broken down with chemical reactions. And then we have the mixtures, which is prepared into homogeneous and heterogeneous. Homogeneous, as it's homo, which means one, it has only one phase, so you cannot distinguish, even with a microscope, the different the solutes from the solvents. An example of this is solution, such as lemonades. And then we have the heterogeneous mixtures, which is made of two or more distinguishable phases. These are divided into two, the colloids and the suspensions. The colloids have particles much bigger than the suspensions, is 100 times smaller than the suspensions.
Okay. Hello, I'm Diego. I will present of the fluid non-nutrient. First, we need to add water and the recipient. Then let's put salt. Salt and we'll mix. Okay, and then we'll put the baby oil or oil mineral. Let's put a little bit. Then we will pour out the corn flavor in the recipe. I will put on the recipient. Then we mix the corn flavor. We create the fluid non-nutrient. We create right there. See, and we not match.
For this experiment, we are going to show one method of preparation of substances. We are gonna mix a bit of water with salt. This is going to create a homogeneous mixture, and we are going to use a special method to separate the salt from water. Here, as you can see, the milk is scattering light across the glass.
Aquí está el agua hirviendo, lo pueden ir grabando mientras tú hagas la mezcla y luego grabas como si lo
You can kind of feel the light inside the glass, scattering around. Yes.
Muchachos, son cuatro. Son cuatro. Leo el proceso de lanzar. Cuidado, no se me acerquen mucho a la lumbre. Creo que le voy a pagar para que el otro equipo pueda verlo.
Hi, good afternoon. I'm Patricio. I'm going to explain, I'm going to show how to do the gas experiment. You need only three things: a bottle with a balloon on the top, and two bowls, one with cold water and the other with hot water. The first thing we're going to do is put the balloon in the bottle. Then we're just going to put the bottle inside the water, and this would make that the balloon start to grow. But if we want to make him more tiny, we just need to put it in the cold water. And that will be everything. Thanks.
Some water and some filters. Okay, first we're going to put it between the water and the sand. Here I have things already done. I'm just gonna mix it. As you can see, it is completely mixed and it is not distinguishable. This is called a suspension. Now I'm going to place this liquid into the filter and it will filter out the sand and leave the water here.
Isabel, Jimena, la Jimena, Natalia, Yepes, Paulina, Roberto, yo, Isabel, Diego, Carlos, Patricio Toliche, ¿tiene una falta? No.
Kind of low, but the water is much cleaner than here.
O sea, con la cosa esta, con la Alex, ¿tienes algo que decir? No,
Separate some of the sand from the mixture, and the water is a little bit clearer, more clean than here. Más esto de acá con esto de acá. In conclusion, understanding different types of mixtures is essential for choosing the most effective separation methods. By identifying whether a mixture is homogeneous or heterogeneous, and analyzing the properties of the solvent and solutes, such as solubility, particle size, density, and boiling points, it becomes possible to determine the most suitable separation technique. Methods like filtration, decantation, evaporation, distillation, etc. rely on these key differences in physical properties to isolate components efficiently without altering their chemical nature. Therefore, knowledge of mixture types and substance properties plays a key role in achieving accurate and effective separation in both scientific and real-world applications.